Hello friends, is your engine misfiring, running rough or struggling with power? If your check engine light is on, and your obd2 scanner shows code P0281, then you're dealing with a cylinder 7 injector circuit issue. This can seriously affect engine performance and fuel efficiency, but don't worry. In this video, we'll break down what P0281 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0281 stands for cylinder 7 injector circuit low. This means the fuel injector for cylinder 7 isn't receiving the correct electrical signal, leading to poor fuel delivery and engine misfires. Common symptoms of P0281: check engine light on, rough idling and misfires, loss of power and acceleration, increased fuel consumption, fuel smell from the exhaust, and difficulty starting the engine. Ignoring this issue can cause serious engine damage and expensive repairs. To diagnose and fix P0281, inspect these key locations. Cylinder 7 fuel injector located near the intake manifold or cylinder head. Fuel rail pressure sensor found on the fuel rail, responsible for regulating pressure. Fuel injector wiring harness runs along the engine bay, connecting injectors to the ECU. Engine control unit, or ECU, usually located in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Fuel pump and fuel filter found in the fuel tank or along the fuel line, ensuring proper fuel pressure. If any of these components fail, P0281 will be triggered. Faulty fuel injector. A clogged or malfunctioning injector will disrupt fuel delivery. Wiring or connector issues, corroded or damaged wires can block power to the injector. Low fuel pressure, a weak fuel pump or clogged filter can prevent the injector from working correctly. ECU malfunction. If the ECU isn't sending the right signals, the injector won't function properly. Carbon buildup in the injector over time, deposits can block fuel flow, causing misfires. Step 1. Inspect and clean the cylinder 7 fuel injector. Replace it if necessary. Step 2. Check the fuel rail pressure sensor for incorrect readings or damage. Step 3. Inspect the injector wiring harness for corrosion or broken connections. Step 4. Test the fuel pump and fuel filter to ensure they are providing proper pressure. Step 5. Reset the ECU with an obd2 scanner after repairs. And finally, Step 6. Take a test drive and rescan for any remaining issues. P0281 is a fuel injector circuit issue that can lead to misfires, poor performance, and high fuel consumption. Fixing it quickly will help your engine run smoothly and efficiently. Want to learn more about fuel system issues? Watch these next videos. P0237, turbocharger boost sensor A circuit low, and P0238, turbocharger boost sensor A circuit high. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.